Hello everyone, today's video just about to tell you what are the main difference between the drill bits and how can you reckon them, which one is the metal one and which one is the concrete one. So on the concrete one you will see there is some small edges on the side of it, if you can see clearly. So this is basically called concrete drill because it's quite strong as well, and as compared to metal one. So at the moment which is into the my drill machine, this is actually the metal one, or you can use it on the wood or the plastic as well. Some of the wood drill bits come like bit like they will be more stronger, but they have a cut on it on the top side of it, so you can use on the wood. If I show you, and at the moment this drill bit on the wood, so I will just start drilling it on the wood side. You will see it will start drilling. As you can see, it's drilled it. But if I change it to the concrete one, it will not work as compared to the wood one. So that's why they come in a different style and different type of bits they have. So I'm just gonna use this one. This is actually the concrete one. If I use on the wood one, you will see it will not work. It's not actually faster than as your wood one was. So this is actually the main difference between the wood one and the metal one. And this one is especially like for the, if you need to drill into the tiles, you need to find the diamond one, or this is for the, you can use it. This is actually I made it for myself to do the marking onto the tiles, because when you drill into the tiles will get broken, so you will not be able to use that one on the tiles directly. So you have to use the diamond one, diamond shape one. I will show you. You can search for it as well onto the Google or anywhere else from where you can buy it and use it for on the tiles as well. So yeah, this is a video for just about the drill bits and the different types of them. Hope so you will like it, love it.